So taking a photo of the Klook barcodes.
Hey Mum.
Okay.
No. Imagine going one of those balconies.
Yeah. So we're going to go to the Disneyland app, the Disney Resort app. This is where we are right now. Oh, sorry.
Do you know what's the difference between this one and this one?
Lines.
Yes.
This is the main Disneyland entry line.
Okay.
And there's a smaller line over there, and that's what's called the early entry line. But you only get that if you're staying at a Disney hotel.
Okay.
They give you a special
1
piece of
hour.
paper.
Okay.
It's only 15 minutes earlier, but it's a shorter line.
They open
But
at
you
9?
have. They're supposed to open at 9. They'll probably open at 8:30.
Okay. Thank you.
It's alright. Sorry. So we're going to choose Disneyland because that's where we're going today. But we'll probably scan all the tickets in. So okay to Bluetooth.
Scan tickets.
And yep. So
Yeah, you're not logged in. Log in.
Agree. Yep. So now I put in my Disney. Oh, the birds! That's Donald's family coming to visit for Christmas. Okay. Okay. So Disney account. So I was gonna go get my password. So it's Disney Go password. But it's your Disneyland account across any Disneyland, any country. It's all the same account. Even though Japan Disney is owned by a different company. So okay for accessing the camera. So now there's one. On day of mission, please bring the ticket that you scanned with you. Okay. So now it's the next one. Oh. And so it's basically just saying bring a record of the ticket, which we have in the Klook app anyway. And one more. I hope this is showing on the camera. So it's okay.
These are all the little icons you can have.
Oh, cute.
I'm giving you the 40th anniversary mini. Okay,
So you're
we have
assigning
Barbara.
icons to the tickets right now.
Park ticket. Oh, okay, here we go. Here.
Oh, so we're swiping right and that shows swiping right and that shows our family.
Yeah, so nickname. I'm just labeling these so it's easier to remember. So okay, so we have all 3 tickets in here under Barbara. And if we were
So now we're taking a photo of our Disney Sea tickets with another phone so that we can then scan those photos. Okay. So now we're going to go to the app. So this is the Disney Resort app. So this is while we're waiting in line to enter Disneyland. We're doing the Disney Sea tickets. So could we have done this earlier? Probably. I mean, it's working here and we haven't scanned into the park yet. But some people can't, I know. I don't know why. So, Disney Sea, right? Okay, so that's the first Disney Sea ticket scanned in. So these are the Klook barcodes that we photographed onto another phone. And so now we're going to scan the next ticket. Okay, it's our next ticket. Day of mission, so just bring the Klook vouchers with you, which will be on your phone anyway. You'll find your Klook tickets attached to the original confirmation email, and they'll also be in your Klook app if you log into your Klook app. sure what's going on here. I guess we'll stay here. Let's go here. So you go first, right?
Wait.
Okay, so now.
Security too, but I think we'll wait for it because our bags are all small.
Oh, it was also. Oh, it was the security check, and now we're joining the line to get in. So this has changed a little bit since the beginning of the year. So a little bit of confusion, but that's okay. Whoop. Let's go over here, yeah? Right, Sam? Okay. So, this looks good to me. Oh, there's a monorail, Sam. So we just went through some kind of security check, and now we're at the ticket entrance. But for security, it was just like a scan, rather than they search your bags.
Temperature checking, and they didn't search our metal detector on there, and it can if you have your bags on it.
Yeah. Were they checking bags? I think it was a metal detector. I don't think it was a temperature detector.
My mouse. Look, giant Mickey clock.
Where?
Right there.
Oh yeah. Right. Where are we? How'd you get to that?
Tap the home.
So we're just going to do that, is that right?
Yeah.
What do they scan there? So that's going to scan?
I'll point it sideways, do not be
Okay, are you ready? Are you ready, Sam? I'm going to scan you in.
はい、2名様大丈夫です。はい、1名様どうぞ。はい、ありがとうございます。はい、はい、これでお願いします。はい、じゃあちょっと通ってないのでもう一回かざして。はい、ちょっと確認、一番奥の出口で確認できます。